This is an original Hannay inner tube, size 10.5 times 1 7/8. This is one of our replacement inner tubes, size 280 times 50, and as you can see they're more or less identical. To replace your inner tube, the first thing you should do is check the inside of your tyre to make sure there are no sharp objects. Then you put the first side of the tyre onto the wheel. So it's sitting like that. Take the replacement inner tube, locate the valve hole, pull the tyre back and tuck the valve through the valve hole. Then you need to pull the tyre over the inner tube and then tuck the inner tube inside the tyre and then push it over the well of the wheel so at this stage this side of the tyre is inside the wheel, this side of the tyre is on the outside. Then starting around the valve area, start pushing the second side of the tyre into the wheel, just using your thumbs. That's now on. Now it's just a case of inflating the inner tube. Just do a couple of pumps at a time and keep checking that the tyre's sitting evenly on the wheel. Pump to full pressure. And it's as simple as that.